Hey guys, do you have a weed problem in your lawn and you would like a professional to take care of them? Here are some of the issues with weeds. First, they are unsightly. They will be a nuisance to your neighbors looking at them and yourself every time you're in and out of your house. Second, they are detrimental to your turf health. They are more competitive than your turf, depending on the variety that you have. They will actually spread faster and become a serious issue the larger that they get. And the third thing is they can cause issues with your HOA. If you have rules in place in the neighborhood you live in, they can fine you or cite you for having a large number of weeds in your lawn. So if you need help with this is what we offer. We come by monthly to treat your weeds. We offer 2 pre-emerge applications that will go down that will prevent the weeds from growing, and there will be 3 fertilization applications throughout the growing season that will help increase your turf health and help reduce the weed population that way as well. And in between there, we are just spot treating any weeds that pop up. So that's with a backpack sprayer. We're not covering your entire lawn on each visit, and you will be notified when we are coming out. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below or go ahead and give us a call and we can get you set up and get you taken care of. Thanks a lot.